Spa's gift shop. They have a wide range of products here, not just any products, the world's best. Euphoria Wellness Spa researches and makes sure to only stock products that are the highest quality, safe, effective, and not tested on animals. The first product is by Aveda Botanical Repair, a leave-in serum. After washing your hair, you're going to leave it in your hair and it helps to combat against weather damage or heat damage from tools or styling. So if your hair is in need of a little TLC, this is a miracle worker. My next favorite product at Euphoria Wellness Spa's gift shop is a Radiant Serum by Vivier. This serum is known to brighten your skin, and it also provides an anti-aging benefit. Shower spa mist in Eucalyptus scent. Take the spa home with you. It really does remind me of relaxing in the steam room downstairs. Just a few sprays provides a relaxing aromatherapy experience. It's one of the most sold items here at the gift shop.